Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own blurred background in Canva. So select draw and select this marker and make sure that it's super big like that. And you're just going to select some colors that you want for your background. I'm just going to draw some circles and some other shapes like that, and make sure they're close together like here. And I'm going to add more colors here as well. And even more colors. Just layer them everywhere. Make sure this is rounded. I'll add one more green here. And maybe another blue here as well. And I'm going to add some yellows here and here maybe. Once you're done, download this as an image. And you're going to get that image in here. Let's just delete that first. Once you have everything, go to edit image and use the blur to blur out everything. I'm just going to select whole image, and I'm just going to make the intensity till 100. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!